I've been exploring the Marks & Spencer Banking app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the M&S Banking app. It's a mobile application designed to give Marks & Spencer customers convenient and secure access to their Marks & Spencer credit card, everyday savings account, and personal loan details right from their smartphones. It's aimed at helping users manage their accounts effortlessly without needing to visit a branch or log in through a desktop. In terms of features, the Marks & Spencer Banking app lets you view recent transactions, check your balances, and access monthly statements all in one place. You can view your credit card PIN securely, activate new credit cards quickly, and make payments toward your Marks & Spencer credit card directly within the app. It has a handy spend notifications tool to help you track your spending in real time. The app supports biometric login via face or fingerprint recognition on compatible devices, adding a strong layer of security. If you have any questions or issues, you can use the Chat with Us feature to get help instantly. The app follows Marks & Spencer Bank's digital security promise, ensuring your data is protected while you bank on the go. Speaking from my own experience, I found the Marks & Spencer Banking app quite reliable for keeping an eye on my credit card and savings accounts. I like how easy it is to check my balance and review recent transactions without any lag or technical hiccups. The spend notifications have helped me stay on top of my spending habits better than I expected. I also found activating a new card through the app really quick and hassle-free, which made things much smoother compared to waiting on a call or website. The biometric login is convenient and makes accessing my account feel secure without extra steps. Overall, the app's straightforward design and fast performance make managing my Marks & Spencer finances hassle-free during busy days. However, there are some downsides. The app is somewhat limited to Marks & Spencer banking products only, so if you use other banking services, you'll need separate apps. Some users may find the interface a bit basic compared to more feature-rich banking apps, and it doesn't support advanced financial tools like budgeting or investment tracking. Occasionally, the Chat with Us feature can be slow to respond during peak times. Also, the app is only available for Marks & Spencer customers in the UK, which limits its audience geographically. Overall, if you're an Marks & Spencer Bank customer looking for a secure, easy-to-use app to manage your credit card and savings account on the go, the Marks & Spencer Banking app is a solid choice. It covers all the essentials with helpful features that simplify everyday banking and spending tracking. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.